Want to shop Atomy at member prices? Let me show you how to join. It's free and simple. Hi, I'm Jeanette. If you're new to Atomy, joining can feel confusing because you need a sponsor ID. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Okay, so let me give you the how to join in Atomy in easy steps. So this is my slide. So first, you need a sponsor ID. So if you don't have one yet, just visit my website and I'll give you the correct sponsor ID and sponsor name. And then next, you need to go to the App Store and type Atomy Shop. This is the screenshot on the left. And then download and open the app. The screenshot on the right is shown so that you will know exactly what the app looks like. And then you will be led to this. Now, when you first open the app, it's normally in Korean, so don't worry. So click the button beside the Atomy logo and you'll see a drop-down flag menu of countries. Just choose Philippines or wherever country you reside. And then tap the menu button at the bottom. This is the one with the 3 bars. Once you tap that, this is what you're going to see. So beside the sign in, it says join us. So click that one. And then here you'll have to choose your membership type. You can choose if you want to be a consumer or a distributor. Consumer if you just want to shop at member prices, and distributor if you also want to build this as a business. And just so you know, if you're in a country where Atomy doesn't have a branch yet, there's also what we call global membership. That still gives you access to shop Atomy products online. But for now, let's focus on the 2 main ways to join. So this is as a consumer or a distributor. So let's say you click consumer. This is what you'll see next. Here, you'll have to agree to terms. Just tick the required boxes since you're entering into a contract with Atomy. I suggest that you also tick SMS and email, even if it's optional, so Atomy can contact you when necessary. This is very important for deliveries. And then you can have an email verification. Next, so type your email address on the first line. So let's say your email ad is juandelacruz@yahoo.com. So just put Juan de la Cruz on the first line and yahoo.com on the second line. And then click send confirmation email. Once you do that, the screenshot on the right, you can see that this thing will pop up. The code has been sent successfully to your email. So just confirm. And then this is what you'll see next. Open now the email that you gave Atomy and check your inbox. There you can see your Atomy email verification code. So in this case, it says 123997. So type it on the box where it says PIN code is in the lower half. And then tap next. And here you will see all personal information that you need to fill up. So just put your citizenship, your name, including your middle name, your gender, male or female, your date of birth, and your phone number. And then if you'll scroll down, you'll see the screenshot on the right, on the farthest right, and you'll have to type your password. Now here, you will need to take a screenshot of your password so you don't forget it. And then click the declaration of agreement and then tap next. Now here, you will see that it's asking for your sponsor ID. And remember from the very beginning, I told you that you will need a sponsor ID. This is where you're going to place it. So type in the sponsor ID that you're given and then press enter or return on your phone. Then you should see the sponsor's name pop up. This is the one on the farthest right. It will now say the sponsor's name, and then the ID is there, and then the affiliated branch, which is of course in the Philippines, and then the center. The center can be changed anytime you want, but I suggest that you use the same center as your sponsor so that you can work as a team. This is very important, especially if you want to become a distributor even later on. So check that the name and the name that pops up is the same name that your sponsor has given you. And then click confirm. And you'll now see the confirmation screen showing that your registration is complete. So once you see that, you can even tap sign in and you're ready to shop. Congratulations, you're now an Atomy member and you can log in right away and start shopping. Now, if you're signing as a distributor, this is an extra step that you will see. The process is almost the same, but the only difference is that the system will ask you for your tax identification number. So this is the screen that you will expect. So that's it. And I hope to see you again in my next video. So, but for now, I'd like to welcome you and congratulate you because you are now an Atomy member. And that's it. You're officially part of Atomy. Click the link below to get your sponsor ID. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart shopper tips.